Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the lectures on computer vision. The last lectures in artificial neural networks / deep learning, we saw about all of the mathematical background related to deep learning, like what is activation function, what do you mean by neurons, what do you mean by activation energy, what are different weights that are assigned to a model, what do you mean by loss, how is loss calculated, then what is meant by back propagation, and all of those kind of things. So today we'll be starting with like one of the very famous image processing model, which is known as convolution neural networks. So convolution neural networks are generally used for like image classification problem, like any problem related to image processing in general. There are basically four steps that are followed in convolution neural networks. They are data preparation, model training, and model testing. So we'll be like making a separate video on each of these, like one for model preparation, one for data preparation, one for model training, and one for testing as well. So like this is how we'll be actually progressing upon. So the data set we today have is like one of the very famous data set, which is known as tomato disease classification. So here you have been given like the leaves of the tomato plants, like snapshots of the leaves of the tomato plants, and you have to classify that like that leaf has which of the disease. Like, so tomato plants actually suffers from like tomato plant leaves actually suffers from a wide area of diseases, and all of the leaves, images of the leaves that we do have in our data set actually suffers from a specific kind of disease. So your target is to actually predict with the help of your machine, like the leaf is actually suffering from which of the following disease. So I know you are very excited, and so I won't waste much of your time and quickly go up and fire my Jupyter notebook. But before that, it's important to show you like how is data preparation done in CNN. So whenever like if I go back over here, so in just let me open the current directory. Yeah, so as you can see, like this is my data set. The name is called tomato, and here we do have two folders. One is the validation folder, that is also called the testing folder, and other is a training folder, right? And in the training folder I do have like leaves from, I mean images of the leaves from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 different classes. So I have the images of the snapshots of leaves from 10 different classes. And like if you go inside over here, so you will actually find like this is one of the leaves, this is one leaves. Like if I open it for you, so yeah, this is leaf that is suffering from any XYZ disease. This is called mosaic virus. It's like same, like you have different kinds of leaves suffering from different kinds of problems. So whenever you are working with convolution neural networks, do keep in mind that your model, your data set should be in such a way that it's actually in the form of the folders with different number of classes. Like if you have 10 different number of classes that you want to actually classify, so there should be 10 different folders, each correspond to a different class. So this is how our model actually is. And we do have another thing, which is like another folder which is run as a validation dataset. However, you don't have to worry about validation dataset because it's a testing dataset generally. And yeah, they have been actually divided into like validation differs from testing in sense like testing is random sort of things, like random images put up together. Validation is basically like similar to the training dataset, as a similar to training dataset, but they are actually divided into like 10 different classes so as to check if your model is working correctly or not. So what I will do is I will go up and find my Jupyter notebook now, and I would import the required libraries. So the libraries are import numpy as np. I will import all of the basic libraries, import pandas as pd, and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. And then I would import some more libraries, which are keras and tensorflow. So import tensorflow as tf and import keras. And then what I'll be doing is let both of them first like get imported. So yeah, these are warnings and not errors, so you don't have to worry about this. If you have new TensorFlow version, it would actually like work fine for you. For me, it's working fine as well. So now what we are required to do is like we need to have a certain function in keras. So we'll be implementing the CNN in keras. So we need to have a certain function keras which should actually point out to those directories, right? Like the directory of the training dataset and the directory of the validation dataset. So like once we actually point out to those directories, we then could actually like it will actually say, okay, like I have 7 classes or maybe 10 classes and I contain this much images, so let us just so let us just train our model on this. So we need a way to actually point out to the directories, and in the next lecture we'll be actually seeing like how we can actually point out to different directories using using libraries available to us in Kaggle. So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture and you have learned something interesting and important from it. See you in the next one. Thank you.